In this video, I will show you how to change video aspect ratio in InShot app. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to import your video in the timeline. And the next thing you want to do is to slide this way. Continue to slide this way. Continue to slide until you get to canvas right here. Go ahead and click on canvas. And then here you go. The next thing you want to do is to choose different default format right here. So there are Instagram 1:1, 4:5, 9:16, and 16:9, which is for YouTube. So if I choose Instagram 1:1, look at what you have right here. So you can adjust the video frame, turn it up or down as the case may be. Just like so. If I decide to choose 4:5, then we have the new frame rate. 9:16, we have a new frame rate. We can adjust the video scale. We can scale up or scale down as the case may be. Just like so. So we can slide this way and check more different aspect ratio of different formats right here. It's that simple. Once you are satisfied with any of the options right here that you choose, go ahead and click on this check mark right here. And you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this on how best to use InShot video editing app, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.